Today I'm taking you thrift store shopping. Let's get started. I'm starting at Goodwill, and today their 50% off color is green. These honeybee signs are so cute, and I almost picked them up, but decided not to. This looked like it would be a really cute pre-loved project for the kitchen, but I don't have an idea for it just yet, so I left it. I really like the simplicity of this rabbit, and I probably would have picked it up if it had a green tag. I do love candles, and so this has a green tag, so I'm going to pick this one up. This is a really cool scratch-off map. Unfortunately, I don't travel much, but I thought it was a really cool find. Have you ever seen where they repaint these to look like characters from books and movies? I want to try that sometime. I thought this glassware was really pretty. I don't have a purpose for it right now, but if I did, I'd definitely pick these ones up. But I think they would be really cute to pour a candle into and to have as a candle. I love to check the games and kids' toys. Today, I found this really cool loom. Oh man, who knows? It's a small world. I just thought this was so funny. Next, I headed over to Red Racks, and their color today is yellow. I decided to check out their vintage section and saw this really cool baby scale. And who remembers these really cute record players made for kids? I love this tinted glass. I'm going to put a card so you can watch a video where I show you how to tint your own glass. Their book selection was so large. I need to make a list of books that I want so that way when I pop in I can check and see if I can find some. Fake florals are great for so many projects. I was thrilled to see the amount of selection they had here. For one of my state fair projects, I'm on the hunt for a basket. These are perfect for picking strawberries from your garden. I already have some, so I left this one, but I just thought it was a cool find. Another thing you can pick up oftentimes is yarn, and this is perfect for checking out videos from my cozy crochet corner if you want to check those out. The last thing I was tempted to buy was this alarm clock. I saw a pre-loved project with one before and it looked really cute, so I might go back and get this later. Alright, I am back from my thrift store shopping today. Once again, I am so sorry about my voice. This video I filmed in two different parts. So this part, I have no voice, but I have filmed the part earlier, and in that one you'll hear my voice sound okay. So, but anyway, real quick, this is what I got today. I got the tall candles. Everything I picked was the markdown color. So I got these three things from Goodwill and this one from Red Racks. But you saw earlier that I saw these, and I try to pick up candles from the thrift store when I can, especially when they look nice and they're non-scented, because I just like to grab some pre-loved things. I did end up buying the It's a Small World record. It just seemed funny because my family, I made them ride It's a Small World when we went to Disney, and they were like, this is ridiculous. But it just seems iconic. It's got this little flip book, and then it has the record, which has the It's a Small World song on it. So I can't wait. I think I might turn it on whenever my husband gets home and see what he says. But it was worth the price, which honestly I don't know how much it was. Total, I was at 5 something. So I don't know. It was pretty cheap. These next 2 items I bought with the state fair in mind. So this was $5.25, but I got it for 50% off, and it's a loom. And last year I tried out weaving, but I didn't have a loom, and so I'm excited to give this a try and do some weaving with the loom. Okay, I am noticing that we are missing a piece, but I could probably figure out a way to make it work. But it did come with the instructions on how to use it. So we have the wooden shuttles, the wooden loom. There's no strings, okay. The thing it looks like it's missing is this like red thing right here. I don't see that in here. Everything else looks like it's here, but it doesn't come with these things with the strings. But I'm sure I can figure out a way to make it work, but I feel like that was worth the price. And then the last thing today that I got was this, oh, there's a word for this type of basket, but I saw it on my way out and I grabbed it because this year I might try to enter some of my produce that I grow into the state fair. And one of the categories is a basket. You display your food in a basket. And I just thought this was really cute basket for that purpose. So I picked this up. Okay, now I'm gonna share with you some stuff from a previous haul in which my voice is full strength. So I will show you guys that now. So one of the items I was looking for was a tote, and I was honestly not looking for one that was corduroy. I was just thinking, you know, your canvas totes that you find at the store, you know. But this one was there, and I really liked the brown corduroy, and it's got some nice pockets, and it's nice and clean. So I'm very excited to use this in one of the projects. I also picked up this, what do you call it, a lantern. And I'm actually going to take this candle out and use this inside piece. So let me know in the comments down below how you think I'm going to use this. I was wanting some flowers, and these were just so pretty, and I liked the feathery peach color and just the fall colors. I just thought they were so beautiful. And they had 2 of them there, so I picked them up, and I will be using these as well. Next, I found this copy of Goodnight Moon, and it didn't have any drawing on it or anything. And so I grabbed that for a project. I'm actually going to end up cutting it apart. And then I picked up this Guess Who game. And so I'm going to use this. I'm going to change up the pictures on it and change it into a different kind of Guess Who game. With the theme for April, I needed to get some books to craft with. So I saw these and I picked them up for their size, but also because they're hardback. So I like the color of this hardback, and so I picked this one up, and then I picked this one up for its size, and then I also needed it to be a hardback. So I'm going to use these in some projects, and I'm excited to show you guys.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.